I'm Dietitian Shelly, and let's make another 5-minute breakfast that's perfect for pre-diabetics, diabetics, and weight loss plans. A star of our show is always Greek yogurt. You see there how I am using Faye. My big goal, and I always say this, is check the ingredient label. Make sure there's no added sugar in there. Then we're using cocoa. Now I know what you're saying. Why don't I just buy chocolate flavored yogurt? Nah, I'm going to make my own. And I love cocoa because it does have fiber. And then we also have our nuts and our swerve. Go ahead and measure out 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt. You all know this by now watching me. I really push Greek yogurt and I push it with my clients and patients. Greek yogurt is loaded with protein, which makes it a weight loss winner. This keeps us full. Now I'm adding to this 1 to 2 teaspoons of our cocoa. Now, I don't know if you ever did this as a kid. I did this because I was just crazy and silly. I saw cocoa and I thought chocolate, and I took a tablespoon of it and I ate it. It was terrible. Well, it's bitter. So we're going to add a teaspoon of swerve to this. Now, I'm not adding a lot. Some of y'all are going to want to add a little bit more. If we add too much sugar replacer, we're going to get that weird aftertaste, and I don't like that. And the next question I'm going to get is, can I use stevia, allulose, monk fruit? Yes, yes, and yes. I want you to use what works for you, what fits into your budget, and what you like. I'm also going to add to this 1 to 2 tablespoons of our nuts. And remember, gang, this is a big load that I bought from Sam's Club. Always check those ingredients. Make sure there's no added sugar to there. Of course, you could use the fancy sliced nuts, but baby girl and baby boy, I'm trying to save some money. Much love to you all, gang. Bye-bye.